In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to remove anything you don't want in your photo using Photoshop. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Go to the toolbar and select the Remove tool or the Spot Healing Brush tool. This tool uses the updated AI model to automatically fill and blend the removed area. But before that, you have to convert your image to a smart object, so click OK. Brush over the object you want to remove. Photoshop will instantly erase it and rebuild the background with clean, natural detail. If you missed a spot or want to refine the result, brush over the area again until it looks seamless. Alternatively, you can use the rectangular marquee tool and highlight the object area. Right-click and choose Content Aware Fill. In this window, tick Sample All Layers. Photoshop will preview the result instantly. If it looks good, click OK. Zoom out and check the full image to make sure everything blends perfectly. Your unwanted object is now completely removed, clean, and ready for use in any project. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.